Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 18th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Procter Gamble, a global leader in consumer goods. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Procter Gamble has just released their fiscal year 2025 first quarter results, and there's a lot to unpack, from sales figures to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Procter & Gamble reported net sales of $21.7 billion, a slight decrease of 1% compared to last year. However, organic sales grew by 2%. John, can you explain the significance of these figures?
Absolutely. The decline in net sales is primarily due to foreign exchange impacts and restructuring charges. However, the 2% growth in organic sales, which excludes these factors, indicates that P&G's core business is still expanding. This growth was driven by a combination of higher pricing and increased organic volume.
And what about their earnings per share?
Diluted EPS fell by 12% to $1.61, largely due to restructuring costs. However, core EPS, which excludes these non-recurring charges, rose by 5% to $1.93, reflecting the company's underlying profitability improvements.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the performance of P&G's various segments. How did they fare this quarter?
The beauty segment saw a 2% decline in organic sales, mainly due to lower sales of the SK-II brand in Greater China. On the other hand, grooming and healthcare segments performed well, with organic sales increasing by 3% and 4% respectively, driven by innovation and favorable product mix.
And what about fabric and home care?
Fabric and home care also showed a solid performance, with a 3% increase in organic sales, supported by growth in North America and Europe. This segment benefited from a favorable geographic mix and product innovations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about P&G's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the fiscal year. What are the key highlights?
P&G generated an operating cash flow of $4.3 billion and returned $4.4 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. They maintained their guidance for fiscal 2025, expecting 2 to 4% sales growth and 5 to 7% core EPS growth. However, they anticipate a $200 million headwind from commodity costs.
How does this impact their strategic positioning?
Despite the challenges, P&G's commitment to their integrated growth strategy and focus on productivity and innovation positions them well for balanced growth and value creation. Their ability to maintain guidance reflects confidence in their strategic initiatives.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did P&G's leadership provide regarding their strategic direction?
CEO John Mueller emphasized their integrated growth strategy, focusing on product superiority and productivity. He highlighted the completion of their restructuring in Argentina, which was necessary to address challenging macroeconomic conditions. This restructuring is expected to streamline operations and enhance long-term growth.
How does this align with their overall business objectives?
By focusing on core categories and driving brand choice through superior product performance, P&G aims to deliver consistent growth and value creation. Their strategic initiatives are designed to enhance agility and accountability across the organization.
Key takeaways. In summary, Procter & Gamble's first quarter results reflect a resilient performance amidst challenging conditions. With net sales of $21.7 billion and a 5% increase in core EPS, the company maintains a strong outlook for fiscal 2025. John, any final thoughts?
P&G's ability to maintain guidance and return significant cash to shareholders underscores their robust financial health and strategic focus. Investors should keep an eye on their continued efforts in innovation and market expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Procter & Gamble's performance in the comments below.